year, the competition in the medium-sized car market can be said to be more intense. The plug-in hybrid pure matte of independent brands kept the price very low, and many joint venture brands also launched intelligent and more mature medium-sized cars to compete with it. As a nuclear veteran, Toyota Camry holds the energy-saving technology of hybrid gasoline and electricity, which also makes a makeover and enriches its choices. So can it stabilize its position as a popular model? Today, let's take a look at the 2026 Toyota Camry. According to sales data, it sold more than 1.7 in January 2026, 40,000. Over the past 6 months, sales surpassed 110,000 units, showcasing its reliability and fuel efficiency. It captured a significant portion of the joint venture mid-size car market, maintaining steady monthly sales of over 10,000 units. In July last year, the facelift introduced enhanced intelligent features and revised rim specifications in certain versions, offering consumers the option of a sportier appearance kit for greater customization. It also launched 16 configurations in one breath. The core and selling point are still the gasoline-electric hybrid system with durable leather and outstanding fuel economy. Next, let's take a look at how to choose this car more appropriately. First, let me tell you the price of the configuration that you care about most. In 2026, there will be 16 models available, and selecting the right one requires assessing your power needs beforehand for easier decision-making. The 2.0-liter gasoline version, priced between 171,800 and 196,800, contrasts with the dual-type version, which, spanning 2.0-liter and 2.5-liter engines, is priced from 980,000 to 259,800. Your choice will hinge on your budget and preferences. Currently, substantial terminal discounts are offered, with business quotes typically 30,000 below the guide price. In contrast, the fuel version of the entry-level model has a stronger discount. Compared with the Asian Dragon after the discount, the two are almost at the same price line, but the configuration of the Asian Dragon has not been updated for a long time, and the 2026 model has not yet been listed. For friends who are anxious to use a car, Camry has a higher degree of intelligence. Compared with the pure fuel-powered car such as Maiteng Passat from the price joint venture medium-sized car, Camry, which can achieve both fuel efficiency and practicality, is still one of the safe choices. When it comes to design, the front face has 3 distinct styles, each detailed with obvious differences. The C-shaped headlights, a highlight across the range, stand out visually after material enhancement, with the middle grid and ordinary version's diamond-shaped hollow front lip offering subtle elegance. Sports versions, like the HSHXX, feature mesh separation for added athletic character in the personalized bumper, a more vibrant take compared to Nissan Tiana's heavier style, appealing to youthful aesthetics. The car's body lines are sleek and minimalist, divided into 17-inch, 18-inch, and 19-inch specifications, with high-profile sports versions boasting standout 19-inch wheels. Versions vary slightly in body size. The ordinary one measures 49.15 mm in length, 18.40 mm in width, and 14.50 mm in height. The Sport Plus Anti and Glorious Edition have been extended and widened to 4950 mm and 1850 mm with a wheelbase of 2825 mm. Although mid-size cars like Maudu Grand Hyatt in the same locomotive have longer length and wheelbase, the wide body also brings greater wind resistance and higher fuel consumption. For friends focusing on daily travel, Camry's appearance size is more pragmatic. The rear design is simple and blackened, with taillights echoing the headlights, emphasizing energy-saving features for better efficiency and lighter handling. The CCP table is covered in soft materials, offering good touch quality without a plastic cheap feel. However, avoid lower configurations as Elites only provide a plastic steering wheel and 7-inch instruments. The luxury board and above is the leather steering wheel, and it is better to use the leather steering wheel iron after a long time. If you pursue visual effects, the cabinet board and above has been upgraded to a 12.3-inch full-body instrument, which displays richer information and significantly improves the sense of science and technology. The comprehensive control screen tiered configuration includes a distinguished version featuring a 10.25-inch board below and a 12.3-inch above. Seat materials vary: imitation leather, genuine leather, suede, available in the 2.0 HXS, Glorious, and 2.5-liter engine versions, equipped with electric adjustment, heating, and ventilation in the front row. Although it is not the standard of the whole series, for most friends, the comprehensive seat function is not just needed by the car. Except for the Elite series, other models have multi-layer sound insulation glass in the front and rear rows, which can effectively isolate external noise. The rear side curtains are exclusive to the 2.5 HQ flagship board. This configuration is not common in the same class, and the intercar system is also preferred to high-end models equipped with 12.3-inch central control screen. A new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 ticket with 12GB memory and 128GB storage has been added. The system runs smoothly without lag, supporting CarPlay, CarLife, and Huawei Hiker for highly compatible mobile phone interconnection. Regardless of phone brand, voice interaction is easily accessible. It features dual area wake-up accuracy and a standard 10.25-inch control screen, enhancing convenience and usability. Although there is no Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip, it can expand the functions of the car through mobile phone interconnection. In terms of driver assistance, the Toyota system is fitted as standard across the range. It includes functions such as full-speed self-confidence and centering of learning navigation lanes, which is very practical. Daily high-speed commuting and urban transportation can reduce a lot of driving pressure, but the absence of assisted dialing and assisted driving in high-speed sections really can't be compared with the functional diversity of independent brands. High-end models have 360-degree panoramic images with clear pictures, and the rear space and comfort of obstacles around the vehicle can be clearly seen. It is the core demand of family medium-sized cars. The performance of the new Camry is quite satisfactory. I am 1.6'5" tall. After adjusting the front row to my normal sitting posture, the legroom in the rear row and the headroom of 3 powers are 1 punch and 2 fingers. The front and rear rows are seated with passengers of about 1.8 men. The space is still no problem, not experienced, but it is completely enough, and it won't seem too crowded to be 3 adults. The comfort of the rear seats is the same as that of the front row, and the seat cushion is long enough to support the thighs well. It is not easy to get tired after a long ride. The rear row configuration is relatively simple, with air conditioning outlets and mobile phone charging ports. The central armrest with cup holder can meet the basic use needs. Compared with the rear row of Volkswagen Passat, Camry is more practical and comfortable. There aren't many fancy features, but it's sufficient. The dual-front 2.0-liter series engine delivers 110 2,000 watts and 188 Nm torque. Electric motor 83,000 watts and 206 Nm torque. The 2.5-liter model offers 136,000 watts and 221 Nm. Equipped with an electric power of 100 kilowatts and 208 Nm torque, these two hybrid systems consume 4.55 liters per 100 kilometers. Daily urban transport is cost-effective. The 2.0-liter hybrid is quiet, smooth, and fuel-efficient. High-speed reacceleration may favor 2.5-liter hybrid or turbocharged models. The power output is mild. As for the fuel version 2.0-liter engine, the maximum power is 127,000 watts and the peak torque is 206 Nm. The power performance is quite satisfactory, or it is recommended to give priority to the chassis. The chassis is the front train and the rear double fork is more comfortable than the independent suspension price. It can filter road bumps well, but it lacks road sense and lacks driving pleasure. This resembles the tuning style of Nissan Tiana in the same class, with a focus on cost efficiency and practicality. I chiefly recommend the Two-Bird 2.0L HJ Premium Edition with perks like a leather steering wheel and front row 12.3-inch central control screen. Confidence at full speed due to premium features like 360-degree panoramic view and fuel-efficient hybrid systems. Most people will find this version cost-effective. If your budget is tight, consider the fuel version of 2.2L GVP Luxury Board, which offers sufficient practicality at a discounted price. However, opting for the base plastic steering wheel and minimal storage may significantly impact the experience. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Camry boasts enhanced intelligence and aesthetics, retaining its strong competitive market edge. Its impressive durability and fuel efficiency remain key selling points, though the voice interaction between vehicle and machine could improve. The series lacks features like a transparent chassis and auxiliary barge functionality, and its high-speed performance feels mild, offering limited driving excitement. While perhaps not the most extraordinary among joint venture competitors in its class, it stands as a safe and robust choice. With reliability and fuel economy top priorities for many buyers in the 150,000 to 200,000 range of family midsize cars, it's certainly worth considering. Share your thoughts on this car and let's continue our discussion. Stay tuned for more reviews on great new and hot cars. Follow us for updates and see you next time.